Okay, next question is question number 13. This one. A hot plate of an electric oven connected to 220 volt line has two resistance coils A and B, each of 24 ohm resistances, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may be used separately in series or in parallel. What are the current in the three cases? It's a simple question. Here we have a oven, electric oven. In that oven, there are two coils, two separate coils are there, A and B. Each of them is 24 ohm. When you are using the oven, depends upon the need, you can connect only one 24 ohm, a single coil. You can connect both of them either in series or in parallel. So three different cases are there. A single coil is connected, only 24 ohm is connected. Then second case, both 24 ohms are connected in series, so total resistance will be how much? 48 ohm. Third case, both can be connected in parallel. In parallel, if 24 ohm, two resistance are connected in parallel, what will be the total resistance? 24 and 24, if it is connected in parallel, 24 by 2. 12 ohm will be the total resistance. So in the first case, write down the values, given value, a hot plate of an electric oven connected to 220 volt line. So we can write 220 volt, V equal to 220 volt. Supply voltage is 220 volt. Okay. Has two resistance coils A and B, each of 24 ohm. So we can write resistance of first one, two coils are there, we'll write RA, it is 24 ohm. Like that one more coil is there, that is RB, both are same magnitude, 24 ohm. It may be used separately in series and parallel. What is the current in three cases? Now we want to find out the current flowing through the circuit or current flowing through the oven. Suppose you are using only one coil for cooking purpose. Say for first case, write case 1, only one resistance is used. That is Ra is equal to, suppose we are using the coil A, only coil A we are using. So the resistance is how much? 24 ohm. What is the supply voltage? 220 volt. What will be the current? I is equal to, I1 is equal to first case. I1 is equal to
V by R.
Yeah, V by R resistance of the first one, Ra. Only one coil is connected. That is V is 220 volt and only one coil is connected, Ra, that is how much? 24 ohm. Okay, is equal to how much? 9.17 we can write, rounded. That much ampere is the current flowing, first case. So we can write I1 is equal to, only one coil is used, current flowing through the oven will be, the hot plate of the oven will be 9.17 ampere. Second case, both of them in series. If both the coils are used in series, what is the total resistance of that combination? R series equal to Ra plus Rb. Resistance of both should be added. Both are connected in series, so total resistance will be how much? 24 plus 24.
48 ohm.
Total resistance is 48 ohm, is equal to 48 ohm. Now what will be the current in the oven? Current flowing through the hot plate of the oven, I is equal to, that will take I2. Take the second case as current I2 is equal to V by R. V is 220 always. V is 220 always, supply voltage. Now the resistance is 48 ohm. So current become half of this value. 9.17 divided by 2 will be the current. Because if you compare these two equations, numerator is same. Numerator is both 220. And the first current, I1, it is only 24 ohm. This is 48 ohm. So you can find the ratio of these two equations. It will be 1 by 2. Here 48 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of this current will come. Here current will be 4.58 ampere. Current become half because resistance doubled, current become half. 24 become 48 and the resistance is doubled, current become half. Now case 3, in the third case, both of them are connected in parallel. If both are having same magnitude, the net resistance Rp will be equal to R by N. R by N, if same magnitude of resistors are connected in parallel, we can use the simplified equation R by N. In that, Rp is equal to, R is value of one resistor, that is 24. N is the number. Here 2 are connected in
Sir,
parallel.
2.
2. So the total resistance of this combination will be Rp is equal to 12 ohm only.
12.
12 ohm. Then what will be the current in the third case?
Current will increase.
Increase will double, isn't it?
Yes, sir, double.
Yeah. So
Then
I3 will be equal to the third current when the two coils are connected in parallel, resistance is decreasing, so current will increase. I3 is equal to V by Rp, the net resistance of the parallel combination. That is equal to 220. Voltage is always 220. Supply voltage is same 220 divided by Rp is 12 ohm only. 12 ohm is equal to how much? It will be double of this because 24 is here. Here only 12 is there.
18.34.
18.34 ampere.
And yeah.
So we got the final answers in the three different situations. The final answer is this one. I1 is how much? When a single coil is used, current is 9.17 ampere. Current is 9.17 ampere. When two coils are used in series, resistance double, so current become half, means 4.58 ampere. Half of this value, because resistance become double, current become half. In the third case, I3 means when two resistors are used in parallel, resistance become half, 12 ohm only, so current will become double of the first case. 9.17 into 2 times of that will come. That is 18.34 ampere. Thank you.